How much does one-time cleaning cost in Singapore? Updated 2023. If you're wondering how much it costs to get your home professionally cleaned in Singapore, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing the average cost of one-time cleaning services in Singapore, so you can make an informed decision on whether or not it's worth the investment. 1. Size of your home. The cost of one-time cleaning services in Singapore varies depending on the size of your home. Typically, the larger your home, the more expensive the cleaning service will be. 2. Type of cleaning service. The cost of one-time cleaning services also depends on the type of cleaning service you need. For example, a deep cleaning service will be more expensive than a regular cleaning service. If you have specific requests or requirements, this will also affect the cost. 3. Cleaning frequency. If you're looking for a one-time cleaning service, then the frequency of the cleaning won't be a factor. However, if you're interested in recurring cleaning services, then the frequency of the cleanings will affect the overall cost. 4. Company reputation. The reputation of the cleaning company you choose will also affect the cost of the one-time cleaning service. A company with a good reputation and positive reviews will likely charge more than a less reputable company. Conclusion. So, how much does one-time cleaning cost in Singapore? Well, as we discussed, it depends on several factors, such as the size of your home, the type of cleaning service, the frequency of the cleanings, and the reputation of the company. However, on average, you can expect to pay around $200 to $500 for a one-time cleaning service in Singapore. Keep in mind that this is just an estimate, and that the actual cost will depend on your individual circumstances. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on home cleaning and maintenance.